Hey everyone, welcome back to Massage Therapy. I'm Moy, and I've been a massage therapist for 8 years, helping people find relief and relaxation. If you've ever considered getting a massage, or maybe you're just about to have your very first one, you probably have a few questions swirling around in your head. That's totally normal. My goal is to always make sure you feel completely safe and confident on my table. So, today we're tackling the 12 most common questions I get asked by my clients. Let's dive right in. Question number 1, what should I expect during my first massage? It's a lot simpler than you might think. We'll start with a brief chat about your health and pain points and your goals for the session. Then I'll step out so you can address your comfort level and get into the table under the sheet. I only uncover the areas I'm actively working on, and you are fully draped and respected the entire time. After the massage, I'll step out again. You'll redress and we'll briefly discuss a plan for next time. Plan to arrive about 10 to 15 minutes early so we can have time to fill out any paperwork without feeling rushed. Question number 2, what should I wear or not wear during the session? This is completely up to you and your comfort level. Most people choose to completely undress as it allows me to work on the muscles more effectively. However, if you prefer to keep on your undergarments, that is completely, absolutely fine. Remember, you will be professionally draped with a sheet the entire time, and I will only expose the areas I'm massaging. Your comfort and modesty are absolutely the highest priority. Wear loose, comfortable clothes to your appointment. This is what you'll put back on, and you'll want something easy and cozy. Question number 3, do I need to shave before my massage? Absolutely not. Please don't worry about this at all. Your therapist doesn't notice and certainly doesn't care. Massage oil and lotion work perfectly well on unshaved skin. Take one less thing off of your to-do list. If you do plan on shaving, try to do it the day before your session. Shaving right before a massage can leave tiny nicks that the lotion or oil might irritate. Now, question number 4. Should I talk during a massage or stay quiet? The table is your space, so you can do whatever helps you relax the most. Some people love to chat. Others prefer to close their eyes and fully tune out. I follow your lead. The only time I really need you to speak up is to give me feedback on the pressure or if anything feels uncomfortable. Otherwise, feel free just to enjoy the silence and drift off into complete bliss. Now, let your therapist know at the start if you prefer a quiet session, and they'll take the hit, I promise. Moving on to question number 5. What if the pressure is too much or not enough? This is the most important question. Never, ever hesitate to tell me. I want the pressure to be perfect for you. Too light won't be effective, and too heavy can make you tense up. Think of it as a collaboration. Clarity is everything in a massage session. I would much rather you tell me, Moy, can you just go a little deeper here? Or, that's a bit too much. Can you back off a bit? Then have you suffer in silence the entire session. Use a clear, simple phrase like more or less to communicate quickly without disrupting the relaxation too much. Moving on to question number 6. Will a massage hurt, especially if I'm in pain? A therapeutic massage might feel intense or cause some temporary discomfort, especially on very tense areas or trigger points. We call that like a good type of hurt. However, it should never be sharply painful or unbearable. If you feel the need to hold your breath or tense your muscles, that's way too much. My job is to listen and adjust to keep you right on the edge of what's effective without causing pain. Focus on breathing deeply and slowly when I'm working on a tender spot. This sends a signal to your nervous system to relax and helps the muscles release. Now, let's move on to question number 7. How often should I get a massage? There is no one size fits all answer here, but it mostly depends on your goals. For general relaxation and maintenance, once a month is probably great. If you have chronic pain and training for an event or working on some specific issue, it might start weekly, move to bi-weekly sessions until we get things under control. Then we back off to a more kind of maintenance schedule. Talk to me after the session. We can create a personalized plan based on what we felt in the muscles and what your budget allows. Now, moving on to question number 8. What should I do before my massage to prepare? Take a shower. That'll be really cool. Just playing. The best way to prepare is to hydrate and be present. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and leading up to your appointment. Also, try not to eat a huge meal right beforehand, but definitely don't come starving. Finally, give yourself time to breathe deeply for a few minutes before you get on the table to help you mentally transition into relaxation mode. If you're coming in for feet work, give them a quick wash beforehand. It's a thoughtful gesture. Question number 9. What if I fall asleep during the massage? This is the biggest compliment you can give me. People, please let yourself completely relax. Falling asleep means your nervous system is finally in deep rest state. I'll make sure to gently waken you when the session is over or if I need you to flip over. Don't worry about snoring or drooling. I see it all the time. It just tells you're fully relaxed. Totally cool, no big deal. Question number 10. What if I'm sore after my massage? It's completely normal. It's common to feel a bit sore, especially after a deep tissue massage. It can feel similar to what you'll experience after a good workout, and it usually lasts for maybe about 24 to 48 hours. This is your body adjusting to the muscle release. To help counteract it, I always recommend you hydrate afterward. An Epsom salt bath after your massage can work wonders to reduce soreness and prolong the relaxing effects. Question number 11. What if I feel nervous or anxious before my massage? It is completely normal to feel a bit nervous. You're in a new environment and you're trusting someone with your body. I want to reassure you that this is an absolutely professional, safe, and confidential space. You can ask me any questions at any time, and you always have the right to change your mind or stop the session. Communication is key, and I'm always listening. Take 5 slow, deep breaths before you enter the massage room. It's a simple trick to instantly lower your heart rate. Next one is one that's kind of dear to me and something I've faced a lot in my career. Question number 12. I'm nervous about seeing a male therapist. Is that okay? Yes, absolutely, it's okay. Your comfort is absolutely paramount. If you would be more comfortable with a female therapist, you are completely within your right to seek one out. If you choose to see me, please know that my focus is solely professional and therapeutic. You are always going to be draped, and I encourage you to call the clinic ahead of time if you want to ask any extra questions about policies, credentials, or draping procedures to put your mind at ease. If you're nervous, try booking a shorter session at first, like a 30-minute one. Get a feel for the therapist and their environment before committing to a longer time, like an hour or 90 minutes. Okay, there you have it. Those are 12 of the most common questions I get asked. And I hope hearing these answers make you feel ready and excited for your next massage session. Remember, my job is to create a nurturing space where you feel safe and comfortable. And clarity is absolutely everything. So never hold back if you have any questions or need an adjustment. If you found this helpful, do me a favor, give that like button, loads of helpment for me, and consider subscribing. Peace out, much love, adios.